Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Rigetti Computing, ticker symbol RGTI, a major name in the quantum computing sector that's been on a wild ride this month after record-breaking volatility. As of October 25th, 2025, Rigetti stock is trading at around $38.84, down nearly 1.9% from the previous session. The company's shares have seen huge swings recently, with a 52-week range between $1.06 and $58.15, a nearly 55x difference that highlights just how speculative this stock has become. Market cap now stands at approximately $12.6 billion, which is remarkable considering the company was under $1 billion just 6 months ago. Let's talk about what's behind this explosive momentum. The rally began in early October, when Rigetti announced a major quantum chip project with the U.S. Department of Energy, targeting scalable quantum systems for national research applications. This news set off a wave of institutional buying and algorithmic trading activity. Since then, retail investors and funds have piled in, boosting volume to more than 80 million shares a day, far above the average. However, after hitting an intraday high of $58 on October 14th, the stock saw a 30% correction. Analysts note that this retracement is typical after parabolic runs. Currently, Rigetti's fundamentals remain weak. The company posted an earnings per share loss of minus 0.88, with a negative P/E ratio of minus 44. But optimism remains high. MarketBeat reports that 6 out of 7 Wall Street analysts still rate RGTI a buy, suggesting a long-term upside tied to quantum technology adoption. Now for the trading strategy. Given the high volatility, this is a short-term trader's dream, but an investor's nightmare. Support levels are forming around $36 to $37, while resistance lies near $43 to $45. Traders can look for swing entries around 37, with quick exits at 42 to 44 for 10 to 15% gains. But set strict stop losses at 35 to avoid being caught in fast pullbacks. For long-term investors, caution is warranted. Quantum computing remains an emerging field, and Rigetti has yet to achieve consistent profitability. However, if the firm delivers on its government and private contracts, the stock could regain momentum above 50 in the coming months. In summary, RGTI represents both massive opportunity and major risk. A classic high-volatility play in next-generation tech. Manage your risk carefully, trade the trend, and don't chase every spike. Thanks for tuning in to today's Rigetti Computing Update. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily stock market coverage.